Your ALEKS gradebook has been updated with your grade for CKC1. Your current average represents 14% of course requirements. The remaining grades in the course are the weekly topics at 36%, CKC2 at 10%, CKC3 at 15%, and CKC4 at 25%. Visit the course calendar area of your syllabus for additional information. Your week 4 topics are due Sunday, February 13th at 11:59 p.m. Remember, a few reminders. It's important to learn all topics each week. Unlearned topics may move into future weeks as prerequisites, and prerequisites do not count towards your topics for the week. You are encouraged to work a minimum of 2 hours each day, 5 days a week in this course. Please let me know if you have any questions, and have a great rest of the week.